this thing live? I believe I am officially live. Hey guys, Sheila here from Media Vandals. This is the first time I am going live using StreamYard. So I'm not really sure how this is working out. If you are watching this live, leave me a comment down below that says you're watching it live. If you're watching the replay, please leave me a comment that says YouTube replay so I know that this video has been viewed. We are going live on both Facebook and YouTube right now. In today's video, I want to talk to you about those cool transitions that you see on YouTube videos and how those work and how you can get them. If this video is kind of grainy, I apologize. I'm in between webcams right now, so I'm using my laptop's internal camera. Not the best camera, but it's good enough for this video. So about a month ago, I got a comment on a video that says, can you tell me how you do your motion graphics for your video? I'm sure people, being me for sure, would like to know how you did it. And that comment was left by Paul Geis. So Paul, this video is for you, buddy. So what I'm going to do is, the computer is a little slow. I think that StreamYard is giving me some issues here. I apologize in advance. The computer is a little slow. I think that StreamYard is giving my computer an aneurysm. So if it gets choppy, just bear with me, guys. So Paul, how do I get those awesome graphics? Well, as everyone knows, I recently finished the 100-day video challenge, and it was to produce one video every day for 100 days. And doing a video a day for 100 days doesn't really leave you a lot of time to create motion graphics. So I've got a little secret. All of the cool graphics that you've been seeing in my videos, I haven't actually created them myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to walk you through all the programs that I've been using to create my videos. So the first one is a site called Storyblocks. And Storyblocks, I believe they have a Black Friday, Cyber Monday week sale on right now for you to get a plan. But basically, I came in here and I bought a 1-month plan. You can buy a full year. You can buy a month. I'm going to link to all of these down below in the description. So it's storyblocks.com. And you can purchase a month, or you can purchase a year. They've got a whole bunch of videos, a whole bunch of audio, a whole bunch of images. These are all royalty free. So you can come in here and you can look for cool videos to add into your own videos. And another thing you can do with these is, if you took some footage and say the sky looks a little bit gray, you can take a, we'll just look for some blue sky here. You can find a video with some blue sky. And if you have any sort of editing software, you can add that blue sky. See if I mouse over these. Once they load, it's actually a video transition. Again, my video is a little bit choppy today because of StreamYard. It's totally giving my computer an aneurysm. Hopefully this loads decent, but what you can do is, in an editing software, you can add that blue sky to your video. So it looks like this is going to take a while to load. So we'll just move on to the next one. So basically, all the videos like tradies and stuff, when we're using those transitions that have, Brandon talking, and then it goes into, a construction worker doing his job or somebody looking at a computer. We've gotten those videos from Storyblocks. They're royalty free. You put in your YouTube account so they know that if that video shows up on that YouTube account, that you actually have the license for it. Runs about $24 a month, and you get, I think, 5 video downloads for $24, which is a pretty decent cost. And then it gets cheaper as you purchase 6 months or a year or whatever. So you can see there in the background that there's those clouds. There's lots of stuff in there. Anyways, so I'm going to close this window again, storyblocks.com. I'll link to it in the description below. I'm going to close this window because my computer again is having an aneurysm. The next one is called Videobolt Net, and they have a Cyber Week sale that you can claim. Now, Videobolt is where I got that really cool transition of the 2 balls that come in and then explode into the Media Vandals logo. So in here, they have a ton of stuff, and as you mouse over them, you'll see the graphics coming up. Lots of cool stuff. I went down a really big rabbit hole with this one, trying to decide what I wanted. Finally settled on the Media Vandals blue logo that you usually see as the start of most of my videos. And these guys run about $7 a month. And I think for $7 a month, you get 1 video per month, and the plans go up from there. So again, that's videobolt.net. You're going to want to check them out. And I'm going to close this. And then the final 2 websites that I get most of my transitions from. Now, these are Final Cut plugins. So when you're creating YouTube videos, let's just jump back over here for a second. When you're creating YouTube videos, there's all these cool transitions and stuff you can do when you have editing software like Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere or Apple iMovie. Now, iMovie is free and it doesn't have as many cool little plugins, but you can go looking online. Just do a Google search for iMovie plugins, and you get some pretty cool stuff. This just says exclusive discounts. Can we send you some free plugins? A lot of these sites have free plugins that you can download and try out. So the 2 sites that I have been using is fcpxfullaccess.com and fcpeffects.com. Both of them have Black Friday, Cyber Monday week sales on right now. Both of them let you download some free transitions to try out in Final Cut Pro. It doesn't look like they want to load today. Again, all these videos on my computer right now is just giving it a huge heart attack. So it's really difficult for me to show you guys this stuff. I might shoot a second video for this. I just wanted to try StreamYard live and see how it worked out. Again, if you are watching this live, please comment down below that you're watching it live. Oh, there we go. It's loading. If you're watching the replay, just put YouTube video replay down there in the comments. So both of these, they have a ton of transitions. And basically, if you're using Premiere or Final Cut, which I will go over in another video, you can find a bunch of cool stuff. This is how I get those titles coming in on my videos, or the cool transitions, or the screens going in and out like you're seeing here. Although this is being done through StreamYard.com. So this is pretty much how I'm doing it, Paul. I'm just with the 100-day video challenge, it didn't really give me a lot of time to create my own graphics. And in all honesty, why make your own graphics when there's a ton of stuff out there that other people have made? So Final Cut Pro, you can get a 90-day free trial to test it out. Adobe Premiere, I believe it's something like $29 a month to use that program. Adobe's Creative Suite is in the cloud. So you can try out Adobe Premiere. A lot of these places have free versions of their plugins that you would just plug into Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro. It gives you those transitions. It lets you put your video in there, test things out, try it out, see how it works. And then just see how things go. Play around with stuff, practice with your videos, put transitions in. It might take a little bit to get used to, but once you get in there, you'll find it's a lot of fun. And yeah, that's pretty much how you're getting all those cool transitions and everything. Again, they were Videobolt.net is how I get that cool little Media Vandals logo kind of coming in and exploding. Storyblocks is where I'm getting the stock videos to put into my videos. And then fcpxfullaccess.com and fcpeffects.com is where I'm getting all the cool transitions that I use in between my videos. Hope that helps you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if there's anything surrounding Final Cut Pro or videos or those transitions that you'd like to see, and I'll shoot a video on that. Let me know how the sound was on this. Again, first time going on StreamYard. Video's kind of crappy today because I'm using the laptop camera, but the microphone should be sounding good, hopefully sounding good. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And everyone have a great day. Cheers.